Ram, we are doing a small experiment today. Okay, we are having water. We'll fill oil here and vinegar here, and we have some salt, and we'll see if salt will dissolve in any of this, all of this, or some of this. Okay. Okay. I'm going to put some oil in this. And I have some vinegar. We'll pour vinegar in this. Wait. Not much. Okay. Vinegar. Now, do you think salt will dissolve in water, Sriram? You can say yes or no, or maybe anything. Do you think salt will dissolve in water? Think. Okay, I'll hold it like this. Yes. Okay, we'll try. I'm going to take 1 spoon of salt and put it there. Okay. What about oil? Do you think it will dissolve in oil? Okay. Also yes. Fine. And lastly, do you think salt will dissolve in vinegar? Whatever you think. No. Okay. So I'm going to put salt in vinegar also. Vinegar, little bit, maybe a little more. And sometimes it helps to stir. So I'll stir this and then we'll see what happens. See, what do we see? In water, the salt has dissolved. In oil, even after stirring, the salt is still there at the bottom. And in vinegar also, the salt has dissolved. So let's fill that in our table. So what happened, Sriram? Water plus salt. Did it dissolve? Yes. So I'll write. Oil plus salt, what happened? Did salt dissolve in oil? No. And lastly, vinegar plus salt. Did salt dissolve in vinegar? Yes. Okay. So you are close. You just get. Again, we have taken water, oil, and we'll pour some vinegar in this third cup. And today we will check if we can dissolve butter in all of these three. Okay. I have some butter here. Okay. Some vinegar. Okay. So I poured some vinegar, and here I have little bit of butter. Okay. Do you want to put it? Do you want to put it in the first one in water? Okay, leave it for some time. And next in oil. Okay, in oil. Not falling. Okay. Okay. And last in vinegar. Come. Okay, we'll leave it for some time or we'll stir it and then come back, okay? So Sriram, see, do you see? This is water plus butter. I heated it a little bit. Do you think it has dissolved in water? From what you see. Do you think butter has dissolved in water? Okay, I'll keep it like this. Yes or no? Look at the butter. No, see, it is still floating here. Now this is water plus oil. So do you see the butter now in this? No. So that means, has it dissolved in water? I mean in oil? Yes. Okay. Now the third one. This is vinegar plus butter. So again I heated it a little bit. Do you see butter here? It is still floating. See? There are some small butter pieces here and there. Do you see? Yes. So did it dissolve in vinegar now? Did butter dissolve? No. Okay, let's write it down in our chart. Okay, you said water and butter. No, did not dissolve. Oil and butter, yes. Vinegar and butter, again, no. And you know, this could be the reason why before we had refrigerators, people would make butter at home and they would store it in cold water so that the butter stays for a long time, because butter does not dissolve in water, right? So I remember my grandmother used to do that. She would make butter at home and she would keep it in a vessel filled with cold water, and that would stay for many days. Shriram, we have water, oil, and I'll pour some vinegar here. Okay, wait. So today we are going to try if sugar dissolves in all of these, okay, or some of them or none of them. So I'm going to put some sugar. Okay, this is not for eating, okay, you can eat later. Yeah. And in oil and in vinegar. We'll stir it for some time and then we'll come back, okay. Put some more sugar. Some more sugar here, and we have sugar here. Sriram, see, I stirred the sugar in the water. So did it dissolve? Yes or no? Do you see sugar? No. So did it dissolve in water? Yes. What about in oil? Do you see some sugar at the bottom? See, look. Do you see some sugar at the bottom? Yes. So did it dissolve? No. Vinegar. This is interesting. See, here also, what do you see? Do you see sugar at the bottom of the vessel? Yes. So did it dissolve? No. See, Sriram, in water plus sugar dissolved, right? Yes. So I'm going to write yes here. Oil plus sugar? No. Vinegar plus sugar? Again, no. So what do we notice? Salt and sugar dissolve in water. And in oil, only butter could dissolve. In vinegar, only salt dissolved. Butter and sugar did not dissolve.